Hi, good morning, it's Lynette here. So today is day number 18, can you believe it? Where is the month going? Anyway, what have I got to do now? I'm trying to think. I've still got to wrap. I'd ordered candles from a store, and quite worryingly I ordered them the end of November and they've still not arrived, and when I click on the link I was sent, it says the store no longer exists. I didn't spend a lot of money, it was about 30 odd quid, but it's still gutting that I'm not actually looking like I'm not going to receive them, so I need to get out and get something to replace those. So day number 18, I was kind of hoping they would arrive, but I don't think they will. I'll keep you posted though. So day number 18 is a big door. It's a big door. Oh! Can I get in? Can I actually get them out is the thing. So it's a pair of eyelash curlers, and I actually think that I got a bit blasé about having like eyelash curlers, that I gave my mum my eyelash curlers, and so I ended up, I couldn't actually find any, so I am pleased to see eyelash curlers. I used to use these all the time and then I stopped doing it, so yep, I'll be looking forward to doing that. I used to use it every day before going to work, and now I'm kind of like, where did I find the time? You know, get the kids ready, curl my eyelashes. I nearly said curl my eyebrows, but they've never been that long. So that was day number 18 of the Boots number 7 beauty advent calendar, 25 days of beauty, and it has been a cracker. I've really enjoyed it. So on to Look Fantastic. Now I think this is a day that my friend doesn't have, was 12 and 18 or 19, but I'll give you a laugh. She contacted customer services and they got back and she said day number 12 and 18 or 19 are missing. You know what they asked her? If she could tell her what items were missing. No, because they're not there. Oh dearie me. Yeah, I'm hoping that's kind of resolved. That was a few days ago now. So day number 18. Da-da-da-da. Oh, sleek mattifying primer. What's it say? Soft focus finish. That's what I need, a soft focus finish on my wrinkles. So yeah, so that's I've never tried the sleek mattifying primer. I've only ever tried sleek blush, which is gorgeous. They do a dupe of the NARS Orgasm and an eyeshadow palette, so it's a good product, and they're reasonably priced as well, so I'm looking forward to trying this as well. So I hope you're having a good day, and you're kind of counting down to Christmas, even if you don't celebrate it. I don't get, it sounds really daft, I love the build up. I love seeing everybody putting up all their lights and, you know, their Christmas trees and sending cards and things. I love the music in the shops. I love Christmas music. You know, I love watching Nigella's Christmas, looking through the Christmas BBC Good Food, the Good Housekeeping edition for Christmas. But the day, now the boys are grown up, I've probably said this before, I just find it's a bit, well, okay, considering now I have to drag the boys out of bed when they're, well, they'll both be home this year, but I'll probably drag them both out of bed. Steve does a massive fry up. Last year he was working Christmas Day and Boxing Day, New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, so he doesn't drink anyway, but so we met him kind of like last year. We went down to visit family because it was just me and the boys, and Brandon said, oh, why don't I drive us down to Auntie Sharon's and to my mum and dad's. So we did that last year, and Steve joined us at about 6 o'clock, but he had made the big breakfast, so that's the tradition, is that we always have a massive breakfast on Christmas morning. So we're never ready to eat when everybody else eats. We always do stuff a little bit different. But I do enjoy spending time with the boys and Steve and having, you know, like, I don't know what we're doing this year, but I know we're not to see my mum and dad. We're probably not to see, I think you can visit 3 households, but I think we're erring on the side of not, you know, doing that. So it might just be us. So Brandon's going to bring his Monopoly back home Well, he's moving home anyway, but he'll bring his Monopoly back, and you know, try and have a few games of cards and just enjoy the family time. But we'll still have the big fry up. And then we used to go out for food, and nobody really likes turkey apart from me and my son. And I would always be turkeyed out come Christmas Day anyway, because I had so many different things on with work which aren't happening this year. And then we started to go out for Chinese, and now we just get a big Chinese banquet. We just order it in. So Christmas Day is amazing. But then what we used to do quite a lot as well, and it's something that I've started to do, is Boxing Day I'll have something a bit more formal. I've actually done the whole Christmas dinner on Boxing Day, which is probably the day that you want to spend lounging around in your pyjamas. So my son is a fantastic cook. He's back home for 8 weeks at the moment. Well, uni's kind of still online. And he's an amazing cook. So I might kind of talk him into doing something for us. He made a fantastic beef roast with mashed potatoes, and he made his own gravy. I think it was Jamie Oliver. He finds, being kind of dyslexic, that he really enjoys watching YouTube videos. So I put him in touch with Cheryl, who does What's for Tea, and he loves that channel because it's just visual, it's in front of him, he sees what he needs to do and everything. So yeah, he's turned into a fantastic wee cook. Just need to get the other one cooking. He can do scrambled eggs, pot noodle, toast, cereal. He can actually make chicken fajitas. He's made those a couple of times. So anyway, I'm prattling on. I hope you're having a lovely day, and yeah, let me know below, what do you do for Christmas Day? Even if you don't support, you know, even if you're not celebrating Christmas. I know a lot of people don't. I know a lot of people don't actually celebrate Christmas because of their religion, but they do something special because they've got time with family and everywhere's closed. So yeah, let me know what you do below. I'm always really interested to find out what other people are doing on the day. And I'll speak to you soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.